Hi, welcome back to Konkani Khann Anik Jevan. Summer means the arrival of mangoes, and GSBs have so many dishes to enjoy ripe mangoes, truly called the king of fruits. So, the next time you get small ripe mangoes of the local variety, don't think twice before attempting this lip smacking Ambya Humman. This is an easy and tasty recipe with a variety of flavors, including the sweetness of the mangoes, the seasoning, and the spiciness of the hero of this dish, freshly crushed black pepper. Altogether, this gives a heavenly aroma. So just try it out. This tastes best when made in a Pikelle or soapstone ware. The Chandrakalan variety is best suited for this. You can also use other varieties. You will need powdered jaggery and a tablespoon of rice flour. For the seasoning, you need oil, mustard, jeera, broken red chilies, curry leaves, and freshly crushed black pepper. First wash and slice the mangoes this way, retaining the seed too. Add a pinch of salt and a little water to cook. Cover and cook for a while. When it is nearly cooked, add the jaggery. Since I am using organic jaggery, I am adding it straight away. Otherwise, melt the jaggery in a quarter cup of water and filter to remove the impurities. Mix the rice flour in some water, avoiding lumps, and add to the humman. Add water as required for the desired consistency. When the mangoes have blended well with the jaggery, switch off the flame. For the seasoning, splatter the mustard, then add jeera, red chilies, and the crushed pepper. Switch off the flame and finally add the curry leaves. Add the seasoning to the Ambya humman. Cover and let the flavors infuse. Now enjoy this along with your lunch, or anytime you feel like having this aromatic and tasty dish. So do try out. For more details, refer to our website kkaj.in.